Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My colleagues and I studied almost 3 months of discussions on Reddit forums about cryptocurrencies to try to understand how people talk about crypto and Bitcoin. The loudest voice on the forum were a group of crypto enthusiasts who call themselves true Bitcoiners, unlike technology enthusiasts or crypto marketers. True Bitcoiners didn't talk about technology or about their own use of crypto. Instead, they talk about trust and corruption. These crypto enthusiasts often cite examples of what they see as government corruption and corporate corruption. They recognize that society depends on governments and corporations setting and enforcing rules, and they complain that people are stuck with these corrupt institutions. Corruption, they say, is an inevitable flaw in humanity and leads to trying to control and mistreat others. The enthusiasts see Bitcoin, blockchain, and other crypto technologies as providing an alternative to the crypto corruptions. They argue that these new technologies are trustless and don't depend on institutions. You can buy and sell things using Bitcoin without checking with a bank or using government issued cash. Blockchain, the technology underlying cryptocurrencies, keeps records of ownership and transactions without requiring trust in anyone or any institutions. This too believes that governments are corrupt and that crypto avoids that corruptions are common among the crypto enthusiasts we studies, but enthusiasts go one step further. They seek change. They want to change who has power and who doesn't. They argue that crypto is how that change will happen. For crypto enthusiasts, using crypto isn't just a way to buy and sell things. By using crypto technologies, they argue society will become less dependent on governments and corporations. That is, using crypto and getting as many people as possible to use it as much as possible is a way to change the world and take power away from governments. Pushing an ideology that beliefs about who should and should not have power in society embody an ideology. An important part of the crypto ideology is that this change can't happen unless people use crypto. The technology and the ideology are tied together. For many of these enthusiasts, recommending crypto to other people is not just a technology recommendation to them. Through them, buying and selling crypto is a form of political and social activism. They argue that buying crypto will remove corruption and change society to trust technology over government. This ideology is a more extreme version of techno-libertarianism, which seeks to replace governments with technology. Like techno-libertarians, true Bitcoiners want technology to control society, but they focus on financial and economic control more than civil liberties. And because promoting crypto is part of this ideology, crypto has often been compared with a religion. Crypto dangers. An important aspect of any ideology is the way it emphasizes some dangers and downplays others. True Bitcoiners emphasize the problems with government's corruption, but they downplay the financial risks of crypto. The price of Bitcoin fluctuates wildly, and many people have lost money buying crypto. Crypto wallets are difficult to understand and use, and fraudulent transactions are difficult to reverse. Crypto enthusiasts frequently downplay the technology risks to people and society. They also dismiss the valuable role that governments and corporations play in protecting people's money, providing insurance for bank accounts, and returning money that's been stolen. Beliefs in crypto ability to create social change are also overstated. Crypto technology doesn't necessarily eliminate corporations or avoid government control. There are private corporate blockades and many government regulations about cryptocurrency. As I see it, simply using the technology doesn't necessarily lead to the national change that's enthusiasm. Maybe that's all from me. Then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.